Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to integrate Systeme.io with PayPal, making it easier for you to accept payments on your online platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Systeme.io account using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings section. Now, find the Payment Methods tab and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of available payment options. Look for PayPal and click on the Connect PayPal button. Now you will see options to add your username, password, and signature. To get these, sign in to your PayPal account, click on the profile icon, and then on Account Settings to display the account settings in the panel on the left. Click on Account Access, then click on Update for the API access settings. Once in this section, you'll need to submit a request to PayPal to get your API credentials. Your API credentials include a username, password, and API signature. To request your API credentials, select Request API Signature, then click on Agree and Submit. Now that you have your signature details, add them to the Connect Your PayPal Account pop-up. Click Save to complete the process of integrating your PayPal account to Systeme.io. And that's it. With Systeme.io integrated with PayPal, you can provide a smooth and secure payment experience for your customers while managing your online business effortlessly. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Systeme.io for free.